Yan ang Easy 12, madaling gamitin. Yan ang Easy 12, madaling gamitin.
12 is equal to, bring down 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Plus 6 is equal to 22. Magkakaroon pa ng 2 sa 8. Kaya pa naging 10 ang 8. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Magkakaroon pa ng 1 sa 2. Kaya pa naging 3 yung 2. So my final answer is 1032.
Let's summarize the process of Easy 12. 80 times 10 is equal to 800. Write 8 on the hundreds place. In step 2, we will be working A and B. We will find the sum of B and twice the digit A. 6 plus 16 is equal to 22. Write down 2 on the tens place and carry it over 2 to the hundreds place. Now let's work with the last step. The last step is just getting the value of B times 2. B is equal to 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. 1032 is the final answer. Yan ang Easy 12, madaling gamitin. Yan ang Easy 12, madaling gamitin. I also wanted you to try multiplying 12 by any 3-digit number or 4-digit number or any other number of digits. Pwede nyo rin try multiplying by 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, or any other.
This project is brought to you by iVolunteer for Filipino children.
Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.